Okay, number 10 gives us a system, and it says that x equals 3y plus 9 and x plus 2y equals negative 1. It says Rose wants to solve using the substitution method. Noslin wants to solve using elimination. Well, when we look at our system, we could solve using either method, but oftentimes one method is more efficient than the other. And if you take a look at this first equation, we have a variable that is isolated. When a variable is isolated, it is easiest to take what it equals and substitute into the other equation. Okay, so it says explain which method you would use and why. I would choose substitution because the x in the first equation is isolated. Part B says solve the system using the method you chose. Write your answers in ordered pair in the line provided. You must show your work. So I already started up here. I'm going to substitute 3y plus 9 in for the x. Then I'll have plus 2y equals negative 1. I'm going to combine my like terms. 3y plus 2y is 5y. Then I'm going to subtract 9. We get 5y equals negative 10. Divide by 5, and y equals negative 2. Now I'm going to use the first equation and substitute negative 2 in for y. We get negative 6 plus 9, and x equals 3. So we write our solution as an ordered pair, which would be 3, negative 2. In number 11, it says identify and describe the error made while solving the system. So we have 2x plus 5y equals negative 5 and x plus 3y equals 3. So in step 1, let's see, it says in the second equation, looks like the person subtracted 3y from both sides. All right, then looks like they took this and substituted it in for x. Looks good. Step 3, where'd the 2 go? It should be 2 times negative 3y being negative 6y. So the error occurs in step 3. We substituted correctly in step 2, but in step 3 we did not distribute correctly. So describe the error using complete sentences. I'm going to say the 2 was not distributed correctly. Negative 3y should have been multiplied by 2 as well as the 3. C, what should the value of x be in the system? You must show your work. Well, I'm just going to continue solving for y here. So instead, when we distributed, we should have gotten negative 6y plus 6 plus 5y equals negative 5. I'm going to combine my like terms. So negative 6y plus 5y is negative y. I'm going to subtract 6, and we get y equals negative 11. Now I'm going to plug this into an equation. I'm just going to use the first one. And I get 2x plus 5 times negative 11 equals negative 5. Oh, actually, I made a mistake. This was a negative y. So dividing both by negative 1, we get a positive 11. So it's going to be 2x plus 55 equals negative 5. Now I'm going to subtract 55. And I get 2x equals negative 60. Negative 5 plus negative 55 is negative 60. I'm going to divide both sides here by 2. And then I get x equals negative 30.